Alright students, so on this one right here, on the first circle we're going to draw 2 points. We're going to connect the points with a line segment. On the second circle we're going to draw 3 points, connect the points with a line segment, and then follow this pattern. Alright, so basically this is saying this is what we're going to do. Dot, dot, boop. So 2 dots makes 2 sections. Alright, so number of points on the circle, there's 2. How many regions did it create? 2. Now we're going to do 3 dots. And when I make these dots, it's not going to be perfect, but we want to try hard to make them equidistant. That means equal distances. So 3 dots, I'm going to connect them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 gets us 4. Next, we got to make sure we pay attention. We're connecting all the dots to all the dots. So that dot connects to that dot. 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 Whew. That's a lot right there. Now we got to count again. Man, this is hard. My brain is starting to hurt. Hopefully me no brain fart. 8. Alright, so with 4 dots, 8. Now we're going to do 5. 5 makes a famous shape. What famous shape does it make? A star. Alright, so 5 dots, connect them all. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So it should look something like this. It also makes a pentagon. Why is the pentagon? Why is it not penta here? Alright, so I connected all the dots to all the other dots. Now I got to be a little bit careful. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Alright, now look for a pattern, make a conjecture, alright? For every dot you add the amount of sections double. That seemed pretty fair. 2, 4, 8, 6. They're doubling. Alright? And this is actually 2n minus 1. That'd be the formula. 2 to the power of n minus 1. I think you might have done stuff like this at Math 8 or something, maybe in algebra. But that's the formula. So for 6 points, test your conjecture for 6 points. Well, clearly, with 6, we're going to double 16. With 100% confidence, I'm going to say 32 sections. Alright? I'm so confident. Now, let's actually do this. We got this big circle. We got to be really careful. We got to take our time. This is not the easiest thing to draw. Actually, I'm going to, let's see, point. Again, try to make them equidistant apart. Alright? So we got these 6 points. Alright? Now, I got to connect all the points to all the points. So let's start with this bottom left point. Sometimes it's easier if we just go from each point. So there should be 5 lines coming off of each point. So 5 there. This one should have 5 as well. Onto here. Boom. Boom. And I was a little too sloppy on this. I'm a little disappointed in myself. Alright, so like all these like little tiny sections we're not going to count. Shouldn't be like that. All right, we're only going to count like the big segments. If it's something tiny, that was just me being a little bit sloppy drawing. But let's see if my conjecture is true. I predicted that there's going to be 32 sections. Like, so that doesn't count as one. That was just me being a little bit sloppy. Hopefully you did yours a little nicer. All right, so I'm already at 22. Uh-oh. I only got 30. All right. I only got 30 sections. Something went wrong. All right. Maybe I could have counted that middle one as 31. But what happened? All right. My prediction was false. I'm very bamboozled right now. I'm very confused. All right, so this is inductive reasoning. Remember, it looks to be true. Sometimes it turns out to be the case. We were right, but sometimes it's false. All right. The actual formula is this bad boy right here. All right. This is it. It's circle division by chords. So we said it was just a simple 2n minus 1. Nope. It's 1 divided by 24 parentheses n to the power of 4 minus 6 to the n cubed plus n 23n squared minus 18n plus 24. All right. Obviously, that was my next guess. All right. So that's a counter example. Fun problem right there. I enjoy that a lot. You got a few follow-up questions in Canvas, and then you're done with math for the day. Have a good rest of your day.